This is Notibot Yenji. In today's tech-focused news recap, we'll break down how U.S. petrol prices are skyrocketing, a key executive order that shields AI development from regulations, and Google's latest move to combat AI deepfakes. We'll give you the lowdown on what changed, why it matters, and next steps. Rising fuel costs are taking a toll on American wallets, with U.S. petrol prices experiencing a staggering surge over the past year, sparking concern among consumers. The U.S. average petrol price has jumped 42.2% from last May, according to data released by the U.S. Transportation Department. This significant increase comes as oil prices rose by about 1% on Tuesday, reaching a one-week high. The Strait of Hormuz remains a crucial factor in energy markets, with its blockade contributing to rising crude prices. This price hike matters for American consumers, who are feeling the pinch at the pump. Higher petrol costs will reduce disposable income and impact household budgets. What's next is closely watched by markets, particularly developments in talks between Washington and Tehran regarding the Strait of Hormuz blockade. The U.S. and Iran have been engaged in diplomatic efforts to ease tensions in the region, which could potentially stabilize energy prices. Following a major development in the ongoing debate on artificial intelligence regulation, President Trump has just announced a new executive order that will reshape the industry. President Trump has signed an executive order on artificial intelligence and cybersecurity, but the move is being met with criticism that it doesn't address the urgent need for regulations. The new order allows the White House to delay implementing stricter rules for cutting-edge AI models, giving companies more time to develop and share information about their advanced cybersecurity capabilities. This decision comes as recent studies have revealed shocking vulnerabilities in AI systems like Mythos, which raises concerns about the potential for cyber attacks. With the U.S. relying heavily on AI in various industries, this lack of clear guidelines may leave many wondering what safeguards will be put in place to protect sensitive data and prevent future breaches. What's next is uncertain, but experts are calling for swift action from lawmakers to fill the regulatory gap left by the executive order. Breaking news from the tech world. Google's latest move to safeguard users comes in response to a growing threat that's been making headlines. Google has announced a new feature to protect users against AI deepfake impersonation scams on Android devices. The fake call detection system, now live in the Phone by Google app on Pixel devices and eligible U.S. users, works by sending a silent confirmation signal between devices to verify the legitimacy of incoming calls. If an unknown caller attempts to impersonate a trusted contact, this initial signal will be missing, triggering a warning on the recipient's screen advising them to hang up immediately. This update matters as scammers increasingly rely on AI deepfakes to spoof phone numbers and deceive victims. Users can expect fewer false alarms and increased security with this new feature, but it also highlights the evolving nature of cyber threats. As technology advances, we'll continue to see innovative solutions emerge to combat these emerging threats, such as improved AI-powered authentication methods. As we reflect on today's headlines, rising fuel costs and AI loopholes take center stage. Stay tuned for tomorrow as we explore how these developments will shape our economy and technology landscape.